Hey guys, hope you're all doing fine. Today I'm going to be discussing isosceles triangle pattern of asterisks. So an isosceles triangle is a triangle where two sides are identical. Like in this case, suppose this side and this side would have the same length and they would form the same angle with the other edge of the triangle. So you can take that as an isosceles triangle. And the problem is, given a number n, we need to output a pattern of asterisks, and there would be n rows in that pattern, and the asterisks would represent an isosceles triangle shape. As you can see, that there are 3 rows, suppose n is equal to 3, that is in this case, and so the first row would have only one asterisk. The second row has 3, the third row has 5, so the number of asterisks increases by 2 from one row to the next. And you can see that there is a line that I can draw through the middle, and one asterisk from each row would be aligned to it, and to the left and to the right there are equal number of asterisks, and that number increases by 1 from one row to the next. As you can see in the first row, the middle asterisk has no asterisks in the left and in the right side. In the second row, there is one asterisk to the left and one to the right, and it increases by 1 from one row to the other. So in the third row, there are 2 asterisks to the left side and 2 asterisks to the right side. So the third row has 5 asterisks. So the last row would have, of course, the maximum number of asterisks. So I'm going to be using a string for this problem. And if suppose n is equal to 3, then we need 5 characters, since there can be a maximum of 5 asterisks. If n is equal to 4, there would be 7 asterisks. If n is equal to 5, there would be 9 asterisks. So we can say that given a number n, which is the number of rows, the string we're going to be using will have twice n minus 1 asterisks. Alright, so you can see here that we are adding one extra asterisk to the left and one extra asterisk to the right side from one row to the other. So basically, you guys can see that in the first row there is like the index of the leftmost asterisk and the rightmost asterisk is the same, that is 2, right? And in the second row, the index of the leftmost asterisk decreases by 1 to 1, and the rightmost asterisk index increases by 1 to 3. In the third row, the index of the leftmost asterisk is 0, and the index of the rightmost asterisk is 4. So the index of the leftmost asterisk is decreasing, and the index of the rightmost asterisk is increasing. So by leftmost asterisk, I'm saying that I am adding an asterisk in that index for a particular row, right? So we are shifting to the left side and we are also shifting to the right side. So I can easily use two-pointer technique to solve this problem. And a two-pointer technique is used to solve such problems where you need to shift from left to right or right to left of the array, and you need to do that on 2 instances. And that is what is going on over here. So for the left side, you can see that I can use, suppose, a variable called left pointer, and left pointer would indicate the index of the leftmost asterisk for a particular row, and right pointer would indicate the rightmost asterisk index for that row. So left pointer would be decreasing from row to row, and right pointer would be increasing from one row to the other. And we're going to use a for loop except for the first row. In the first row, you can see that, of course, n is equal to 3, and out of the 5 characters, only at the second index, we're going to be assigning asterisks. So we can say that for number n, the only character that would have an asterisk at the start of the string is n minus 1. Okay? And all the other indexes would be of blank space. And we're going to keep on adding asterisks to the left side and the right side according to the value of the left pointer and right pointer. And as we're shifting to the left and right, we need to decrement the value of the left pointer and increment the value of the right pointer on each of the rows. And this will go on till left pointer is -1 and right pointer is twice n. So left pointer can be the last valid value of left pointer is 0, and the last valid value of right pointer is, so here is, there are twice n minus 1 elements or characters, so the last index would be twice n minus 2. Okay, so that is the problem. Now let's get to the coding. Take the input and let's just give it a simple name, pattern. And I'm going to recap this one more time, so no need to worry if you haven't understood. And pass that in. And we need a string, so let's just name it current row. And it's empty at the start. So for the first row, the only index at which there is going to be an asterisk is n minus 1. So for int I equals to 0, it's going to go on till twice n minus 2. So because this is 0 indexed, so unless the index is n minus 1, we're going to add a white space, and if it is n minus 1, then it's going to be an asterisk. So that is the first row, and now we're going to print it out. Of course, it is the string itself. So current row, of course we have to end the line, and I'm going to use two variables for applying the two-pointer technique. The left pointer would be one index to the left of n minus 1, so n minus 2, and right pointer would be one index to the right of n minus 1, so it's going to be n. Okay, so as I was saying that we're going to shift to the left side for the left pointer and shift to the right side for the right pointer from one row to the other, and keep on adding an asterisk to that index. So, and after that we're going to print it, and so while this is going to go on until left pointer is less than 0 and right pointer is greater than twice n minus 2. That means there is nothing to the left side and there's nothing to the right side to assign an asterisk in place of a white space character. So while left pointer greater than or equal to 0 and white pointer less than equal to 2 to the power n minus 2, what we're going to do is assign an asterisk in the corresponding indexes. So current row at the index, which is the current left pointer value. Of course, we're going to decrease the value for the next row so that we can shift one place to the left. So it's going to be a pre-decrement. And of course, the current index would turn into an asterisk. And now for the white pointer, we're going to assign the white pointer index as asterisk 2. And post increment. And we have to print out current row. Let's check for bugs. So there are no bugs, and let's just run the program. Let's say 5, and there you go, guys. This is the isosceles triangle pattern. So just to recap, suppose for a value of n, there would be n rows, and in each row there would be 2 more asterisks than the previous row, and the index of the leftmost asterisk for a row would keep on decreasing by 1 from one row to the next, and the index of the rightmost asterisk would increase by 1 from one index to the next. So the leftmost asterisk index would be decreasing and the rightmost asterisk index would be increasing, as I'm pointing it out here. And I've been using two-pointer technique for this. So left pointer, which is basically decrementing each time, and we assign an asterisk in that left pointer index, and the right pointer increases each time as we assign the right pointer index. And this is how the number of asterisks increases on both sides till the position where there are no characters remaining in which we can put an asterisk. All the characters in the string would have an asterisk. So left pointer goes like this to the left side and right pointer like this until all the all the characters on both the sides are nothing else but asterisks. And that is this problem done. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you guys again soon.